Hello all and welcome back to ReoCAD. In previous video we see all about object snap like introduction, understand how it works, see each option in object snap. Now we will discuss about object snap tracking and how it works. Also we discuss about polar tracking. So let's start one by one. Object tracking is a very useful technique by which you can track a point in the drawing and save the drawing of dummy lines. Object tracking is set on by clicking or track button on the status bar or through the Osnap menu. Once the button is clicked, it remains on till the button is again clicked. Also, there is another method to keep on the Osnap tracking. Go to the Osnap setting. Make sure you are check this box, that is Osnap tracking. F11 is the shortcut key to on of the Osnap tracking setting. Okay, let's see one example. By clicking line tool, we draw a rectangle that is AB, BC and CD. For that, first of all we draw a AB then BC, but we want point D to exactly below A. For that, move the mouse to point A and then down. A dotted tracking line will be shown, that is tracking line. Click the mouse, you will get point D. Also you can close the figure by typing C. Your rectangle is ready. We will see one more example. Select circle tool. Move the mouse to the midpoint of AD. Do not click. The tracking line will appear. Then move the mouse to the midpoint of AB. Another tracking line will appear. Click the mouse and draw the circle. Your circle is ready at the middle of the rectangle. In this way you can draw your drawing by avoiding drawing a dummy lines. Okay, now let's discuss about the polar tracking. Polar tracking is a technique to restrict a cursor to a specified angles. If you track a point in inclined angle, for that you will have to click here polar tracking button. Okay, so for better understanding we give one example. First of all we draw two lines by using line tool. One is at 90 degree and one is at 30 degree. For 30 degree, we don't have any tracking point with 30 degree angle. So in this case, we type manually line length and line angle. But by using polar tracking, you can avoid these such things. There is shortcut provided to on of the polar tracking, that is F10. Okay, again draw two lines. One is at 90 degree and one is at 30 degree. But this time we use a polar tracking method. First of all, draw a line from the base point. Okay, so in this time we on a polar tracking button. For that, click on that button and check the 30 degree option. You can see our cursor will restrict at every 30 degree from the baseline at anti-clockwise manner. In this way you can draw a line at any angle. Okay, now at this time we give only length of this line. No need to provide a separate angle because our cursor restricted at a 30 degree angle. Hope you understand all the terms regarding object snap tool in AutoCAD in this two-part series of this video. Thank you for making a part of this video till the end. Subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.